Login failed on Qtrade Investor App Fix. You open the Qtrade Investor app, ready to check your stocks or manage your portfolio, but the dreaded login failed message appears. Most people assume it's a big system issue, but the truth is, it's usually something small that you can fix fast. Here's how. First, check your internet connection. Qtrade relies on a secure and steady connection to access your investment data. If your Wi-Fi is weak, switch to mobile data or vice versa. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Qtrade Investor, and hit Update. Outdated apps can lose compatibility with Qtrade's authentication systems, causing login failures. Now, double-check your login details. If you recently changed your password through the Qtrade website, your saved password in the app may no longer be valid. Try typing it manually instead of relying on autofill. If you've forgotten it, tap Forgot Password to reset it securely. Still no luck? Try clearing your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Qtrade Investor Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to clear old session data. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it. Qtrade servers sometimes block logins from masked or international IP addresses for security reasons. Turning off your VPN could instantly fix the problem. Lastly, the issue might be on Qtrade's end. During peak trading hours or maintenance periods, the servers may slow down or restrict logins. Waiting a few minutes often solves the problem. So, if your Qtrade Investor app says login failed, don't panic. Check your internet, update your app, re-enter your credentials, clear the cache, and disable your VPN. After that, you'll be back monitoring markets, tracking performance, and managing your investments with ease.